Hi and welcome back to Lockpicker 69. In the files today I've got a challenge lock and it's number 27 and it's called Scarlett by boybilbo81 and it does come with a mummied key. It also comes with a warning: don't turn past 180 and must shim. So I'm inclined to think there's a T-pin in there of some description. I have picked it once off cam and it was an absolute bastard to pick. But it has got some lovely feedback from the pins. Pin 1 is a bit of a false set. Pin 3 gave me a very deep false set. I would say I've got a T-pin in there of some description. And it's an open. About 3 minutes 50, a lot quicker that time than the first time. Right, let's see what's inside this bad boy. Ah, fuck! Fucking keep doing that. These things really hurt when you stab yourself with them. So glad I've got the key, so not just locks it up. That's the bidden on the key. Works lovely and smooth. I will link you to his channel down below, so please do go check him out. All that to be picked. Pin 1, looks like a spool. Pin 2's looks like a bit like a torpedo spool. 3's got a serration. 4's, I think it's just serrated. T-pin in 5. Another one with serrations in 6. Nothing done to the core. At the top, lovely sort of double serrated. With a steel spring. Number 2 standard. Another steel spring. Oh, double spring. Is that double? Yeah, double. Looks like double spring. Number 3. Very thin spool. I'll give you a close up at the end. And a wafer. Steel spring. Four standard. Steel spring. Get the last two from the other end. Another nasty. Nothing done to the core. Right, close up these pins. Some absolutely beautiful pin work in there. So you got the driver pins serrated in one, sort of mushroom, sort of spool in two, another serrated in three, serrated in four, a T-pin in five, and a serrated in six. Up the top, pin one was double serrated, pin two standard, pin three is a very small, obviously homemade sort of spool pin with a master wafer. Pin four, sorry, standard. Pin five is a deep sort of spool with a possibly T-pin, bit of a weird one. And in pin six is another sort of very narrow spool pin with a master wafer. That's pin five. Absolutely beautiful pin work. It's got taper on the end, and that's probably what those two and three and six would probably give me the very deep full sets. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.